Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Instant Pot popcorn. Hi, I'm Karen Peterson, and I share Instant Pot stuff with you every single week on YouTube. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make popcorn in your Instant Pot. Super easy. I'm going to give you a few tips so that you can have success with this recipe. First thing that you want to do, select the Saute button on your Instant Pot. Now you'll notice that mine says more. If yours doesn't, you want to push the adjust button until you get to the more. We're going to want to wait until this says hot to do anything else, and that's going to take about 3 to 4 minutes. So once the pot says hot, you can add in 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And coconut oil at room temp is solid, but then it will quickly melt. So you can experiment with other oils like vegetable oil and stuff, but from what I've read and what I've seen personally, coconut oil is the way to go, and it kind of gives it this faint coconut taste that's just so slight, but it tastes so good. We're going to add in 1/2 cup of popcorn kernels, and I find that just doing 1/2 cup at a time, even if you need more popcorn than that, is the best way to go. Otherwise, they kind of clump on top of each other, and you get a lot of kernels that don't pop. So we're going to add those in. Now you'll notice how they're kind of on top of each other. You want to kind of just make one even layer. And the middle of the Instant Pot is domed, and so most of the oil is in the sides of the Instant Pot. You can see around this ring here. So that's where you kind of want the kernels to sit, is on the sides, so that they're in a little bit of the oil, or else they'll burn before they pop, and we don't want them to burn. And then you're just going to wait until they start popping. Let me just explain what I do for seasoning. So you can do this purely without seasoning. You can add in some seasoning now. I like adding in a teaspoon of seasoned salt or a little bit of garlic powder and salt and pepper. You can also wait to season until the end. Now, if you like buttery popcorn, who doesn't, right? You can add the butter melted after it's popped, right? You can see that we had our first kernel pop right there and another one. So at this point, you're going to find some glass lid in your kitchen. Don't use the Instant Pot lid. Just use a lid from like a pot or a pan that you already have. You don't need to buy the Instant Pot glass lid. You can buy that. I'm just using this big lid that I have for a pan that we use in our kitchen. So you'll hear it start to pop, and it will get more and more frequently, and then eventually it will get less and less frequently. So we're gonna just wait until it pops as much as possible. Then once it stops popping, maybe 15 seconds between each sound of a pop, then you'll want to take it off the burner. Then you want to take that Instant Pot liner out of the pot so that it doesn't start burning your popcorn. I can see that there's a lot of seeds left in there, and it's kind of stopped popping. So what I'm going to do is just kind of twist to just shake it up a little bit so that it can pop the rest of those kernels.
Once you hear not very many kernels being popped anymore, maybe 15-20 seconds between kernel pops, you can remove the lid, and you have your Instant Pot popcorn. Now I'm going to turn this off.
Thanks so much for joining me. We will see you next time. Something Instant Pot on YouTube. Bye-bye.